we have a quick AI add-on for you. Use ChatGPT to clarify your offer and audience fit. This is the first smart move every affiliate program builder should make, and most skip it. Let's face it, you can have the highest commissions, the fanciest dashboard, even the best product in the market. But if your offer is not clear and your audience is not aligned, affiliates won't touch it. And worse, if affiliates don't understand who the product is for, what problem it solves, or how it's different, they won't convert anyone either. The truth, most affiliate program creators are too close to their product. You are in love with the features, the dashboards, the logic, but your message, it sounds like this to a new affiliate. Blah blah, 14-day free trial, best CRM with built-in pipeline and no code AI integration. But what does that even mean? And that is the pain. Now, let's talk about opportunity. What if you could use AI, specifically ChatGPT, to become your customer sounding board, copy coach, and clarity mirror? Imagine having a 24/7 strategist that helps you clarify your unique positioning, rewrite your offer in human words, identify your perfect fit affiliate personas, draft DM pitches, onboarding copy, and even explainers, all before you ever launch your program publicly. This is where your affiliate mindset meets AI leverage. So let me show you how. Here is a simple 3-step system you can copy today to use ChatGPT as your clarity coach. Step 1. Test your offer's clarity. Prompt. You are a beginner affiliate interested in making money online. You have never heard of any tool. I'll describe it. You tell me what it does, who it is for, and why you would consider promoting it. Now, paste your offer. For example, my product is a CRM with integrated email, SMS automation, landing pages, pipeline, and scheduling. We are like ClickFunnels plus Calendly plus MailChimp plus Pipedrive all in one. ChatGPT's response will reveal exactly where you are being confusing. If it can't explain it simply, your affiliates can't either. Step 2. Nail your affiliate personas. The prompt: based on this product, suggest 3 types of affiliates who would promote it best. Include their niche, audience, what motivates them, and how they would likely market the product. ChatGPT will help you define coaches with audiences that need lead funnels, web designers looking to add affiliate income, course creators with student communities. This makes targeting plus outreach 100 times easier. Step 3. Clarify the why promote you pitch. The prompt: now act like one of those affiliate types. Write down your thought process. Why would you promote this? What would make it irresistible? And what are you skeptical about? Boom. This gives you raw gold insights into your program's appeal, the objections you need to pre-answer, what messaging to highlight on your sign-up pages. You can even ask ChatGPT to write your affiliate onboarding page, welcome email sequence, 30-day promo content calendar, and launch DMs plus outreach templates. So it's like hiring a clarity consultant, a content strategist, and copywriter all for free. Here's the biggest mistake I see founders, brands, and product creators make when launching affiliate programs. They skip the clarity check and launch with assumptions. But in the Made Easy system, we start with mindset and models. And model clarity is everything for us. You don't have to guess what your audience understands, or hope your affiliate figures it out, or pray your positioning makes sense. Let ChatGPT help you debug your message before you scale it. Your action step before you move to the next lesson: do these 3 things. Drop your product pitch into ChatGPT using the clarity prompt. Ask it to explain your offer in plain English and get 3 affiliate persona ideas from AI, and then decide which one you will focus on. This is how you set up your affiliate engine for traction and not just traffic. And we are not yet done. I'll now pull up ChatGPT for you. Okay. Why is this not loading? Okay, here it is. ChatGPT. Perfect. It did load. Next is I go to the step 1. That is testing my offers clarity. So let me copy paste the prompt. So that's my prompt here. You are a beginner affiliate interested in making money online. You have never heard of my tool. I'll describe it. You tell me what it does, who it is for, and why you would consider promoting it. So my product is a CRM, a small CRM that helps restaurants deliver digital menu using QR codes on WhatsApp, record the contact numbers in CRM, send automated review requests and offers in the future, all on autopilot. Okay, so this is my first prompt. Here is how I would understand and describe your product as a beginner affiliate interested in making money online. What it does, it is a smart tool for restaurants that does a few cool things automatically. Let customers scan a QR code to view the digital menu on WhatsApp, no app needed. Collects the customer's contact numbers when they access the menu. Saves that number into a CRM, a contact database, and later it can automatically send review requests and promotional offers. So it's like a combo of digital menu, CRM and marketing tool built just for restaurants. Who it's for? Restaurant owners or managers who want to go digital, build a customer contact list, get more reviews and send offers automatically to drive repeat business. Why I would promote it? As a beginner affiliate, I would promote it because it's easy to understand and explain. It solves a real visible problem. It offers automation, which businesses love because it saves time, it feels like a hidden gem, and restaurants are everywhere. And once one tries it, I can imagine word of mouth helping spread it. So that's the first prompt, and you get to see how much information we got from ChatGPT. Now, the next step was to nail your affiliate personas. So next prompt that I'm going to give ChatGPT is this one. Based on this product, suggest 3 types of affiliates who would promote it best. Include their niche, audience, what motivates them, and how they would likely market the product. So here are the 3 types of affiliates: local marketing experts, small business consultants, food industry influencers, restaurant YouTubers, WhatsApp automation, chatbot agencies, and freelancers. Now these are the 3 type of niches that would like to work with. Step 3 is to clarify the why promote you pitch. Now, okay, let's now try this prompt. Now act like one of those affiliate types. Write down your thought process. Why would you promote this, and what would make it irresistible? What are you skeptical about? Okay, let's see. A tool that gives restaurants a digital menu with WhatsApp, collects customer numbers, and automates review requests and offers. That's exactly what 80% of my restaurant clients need, and most of them haven't even thought about it. Why would I promote this? Solves 3 real pain points instantly. They don't have a proper digital menu. They're not collecting any customer data. They struggle to get reviews or run offers consistently. Simple to explain. I don't need to sell it like a complex SaaS. I can say scan a QR code, see the menu on WhatsApp, get the customer's number, and follow up later, all on autopilot. That's a killer pitch for restaurant owners who hate tech. Adds values to my existing services. I help small businesses build websites and run local SEO ads. Now I can bundle this tool into my restaurant growth starter kit. If they start using it and get reviews and repeat business, they are not likely to cancel, which means recurring affiliate commissions. What makes it irresistible? Well, if these are true: quick setup, no extra app download, custom branding, affordable pricing, automated messaging, and a free trial or demo version. What I'm skeptical about is WhatsApp delivery smooth? Does it comply with WhatsApp API rules? How customizable is it? Support and documentation. The final thought: if the tool works reliably, is priced reasonably, and gives me marketing assets, I'll promote 100% this to my entire restaurant client list. I would even white label or bundle it with my services and upsell it as a smart digital marketing system. That's amazing. That's the best way to get started. Give this a try and find it out for your product.